Dear student, my name is Dr. Shailendra Kumar. Today we are going to discuss subtraction with complements in module 4 of Digital Electronics FDP 201X. Subtraction with complements having content, conventional method and complement method. In conventional method, we all have studied about the concept of borrow in subtraction of elementary level, where the borrow of 1 is taken from higher significant position and minuend is smaller than the subtrahend. There is the table for type, decimal and binary. Type is minuend plus 5, subtrahend plus 2, and finally 2 times plus 7 is in decimal form. In binary addition, plus 0 1 0 1 plus 0 0 1 0, and binary addition will be plus 0 1 1. In complement method, the general description is, suppose we have to subtract y from x, so x will be minuend and y will be subtrahend. We have to take the r's complement of y. So the formula for step 1 will be z equal to x plus r to the power n minus 1. For case 2, if x is greater than 1, then the result will be z minus r to the power n. And if x is less than y, so the result will be minus r's complement of z. This is the example 1. With the help of the tens complement, perform following operation. Let us assume that we have to subtract 223 from 6 221. So this is the method for taking step 1 and step 2. Finally, we will get the 5998. Similarly, taking the example 2, we have to subtract 6321 from 223. Here, x is less than y. So the second case will be applicable here. So the final result will be minus 66098. So this is the end of the module 4. Thank you so much.